Springfield, Massachusetts. Another lowlife searching cars that aren't his. Santa Cruz, California. Bold enough to roll a whole dirt bike out of the garage. Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Porch theft in broad daylight while they were home. Tempe, Arizona. Forget lockpicks. They used a whole car to break in.
Damn, I should just took the door handle off. That's it.
Y toma la chapa, güey. No va a abrir la puerta.
Le estamparon la pinche troca.
¿Y esto qué? Quítate, move. Move, muévete.
Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Yet another reason to keep your car locked tight. Pueblo, Colorado. This strange man was lurking in front of the house for no reason. Bismarck, North Dakota. Forget stealing a package. This guy stole a whole new AC. Davenport, Iowa. He kept trying the door, but it never opened. Tacoma, Washington. This homeowner doesn't need to check their mail anymore. This guy already did it for them.
Love you, man. Love you, man. Love your house.
Lubbock, Texas. These kids think it's funny to hurl rocks at people's houses.
Sorry, sir. Be careful. Gotta look at these.
Santa Barbara, California. Strange woman digging through another person's mailbox. Charleston, South Carolina. Just a fast look inside the mailbox, but he didn't grab a thing. Fargo, North Dakota. A weird man kept lurking in the garden without any real purpose. Montgomery, Alabama. This man kept showing up, pressing the bell, then walking away in silence.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Boise, Idaho. These kids were walking around the neighborhood and were trying to open doors.
I need a haircut, guys.
Why the key?
I work here, nigga. Come on. I need a haircut. Let me in. What's your nigga? Oh my God, let's steal this e-bike.
Erie, Pennsylvania. Strange man wandered onto the porch and hung around for a while. Mobile, Alabama. This guy made sure nobody was home, but luckily, someone was home. Cheyenne, Wyoming. This man strolled down the street with a stolen bike in hand. Missoula, Montana. He hopped the fence, messed with the window, but left empty-handed. Galveston, Texas. This unhinged guy rushed at a couple, waving a screwdriver in his hand.
You fucking serious? Did you just fucking piss right here? No? You fucking serious? Get the fuck off our goddamn property. Disgusting fuck. I have no camera. Go, get back in the fucking house! Get in the house! Get in the fucking house! Fuck out of here! Motherfucker!
Billings, Montana. This guy spent time scratching the ground outside the front entrance. Rock Hill, South Carolina. They wanted the mail badly, but walked away empty-handed. Reno, Nevada. Too much effort for him. The whole bin went into the truck. Athens, Georgia. Rather than buying, they shamelessly chose to steal from someone. Corpus Christi, Texas. This guy really used their front porch as a toilet. Olympia, Washington. After some hesitation, she grabbed the shoes and walked off. Augusta, Georgia. This guy stood around in the yard acting suspicious for no reason. Kennewick, Washington. This guy thought it was fine to swipe flowers from a stranger's garden. Flagstaff, Arizona. They went around testing car doors, hoping to find one unlocked. Madison, Wisconsin. Here is another example. Huntington, West Virginia. She walked up casually and left carrying full plant pots. Albany, Oregon. More teens caught on camera pulling at random car handles. Rochester, Minnesota. Strange move. He used a stolen trash can as his personal bag. Rapid City, South Dakota. More teens roaming the neighborhood testing house doors. Naples, Florida. Desperate enough to walk off with someone else's broom. Fort Wayne, Indiana. Yet another reminder to keep cars locked. Thieves are everywhere. Macon, Georgia. He entered the front yard, lingered for a bit, then walked away.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Wilmington, Delaware. Here's clear footage of thieves breaking into vehicles. Grand Junction, Colorado. They tried hard to break in, but couldn't get it done. Shreveport, Louisiana. This man thought it was fine to swipe someone's red stroller. Des Moines, Iowa. This man appeared lost and didn't stick around for long. Duluth, Minnesota. He walked off carrying a stolen power washer and blower. Green Bay, Wisconsin. He casually walked up and took a chair right off the porch. Wilmington, North Carolina. This thief grabbed the bike and wasted no time escaping. Peoria, Illinois. Just another man deciding to steal a bicycle. Oceanside, California. This man had been sleeping here for the past few days. Fort Myers, Florida. They grabbed fire extinguishers and smashed them like it was nothing.